In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your Flair on chess.com. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can personalize your profile in just a minute or two. First, make sure you're logged into your chess.com account and on any page of the site. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Give that a click. If your sidebar is collapsed, you might need to expand it to see the full label, but the gear is your cue you're in the right place. Once you're inside settings, find the Profile section. You can select Profile directly from the left-hand menu. If you prefer, there's another path that works just as well. Go to your profile page and choose Edit Profile. Either route takes you to the same editing area, so use whichever feels more natural to you. Now you're going to look for the Flair area. On some layouts it's labeled Flair, and on others you might see it within a section called Details. Scroll down the page and take your time. The layout can shift slightly depending on updates or your device, but it's there. Flair is the small icon or badge that appears near your username, giving your profile a touch of personality. Think of it like a visual tag, something fun and quick that helps people recognize you at a glance. When you've found the Flair section, browse the available icons. Pick the one that best represents you. Maybe it's something that shows your style, your interests, or just an icon you find appealing. There's no right or wrong choice here, and you can always change it later, so don't overthink it. If you're unsure, hover over options or select them to see how they'll look in the preview. After you've made your choice, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial. If you leave the page without saving, your selection won't apply. Once you save, your new Flair should appear on your profile and next to your name in places around the site. If you don't see it right away, give the page a quick refresh or revisit your profile to confirm the change took effect. That's all there is to it. You've gone into Settings, opened your profile editing area, located the Flair or Details section, chosen an icon you like, and saved your change. It's a small update, but it makes your profile feel more personal and recognizable. If you ever want to switch it up, just repeat these steps and pick a new Flair.